Youreka Maps provides an all-in-one solution for the future of fieldwork by combining interactive geospatial data maps and task management within Salesforce. Technicians can easily view assigned work as pins on a map, visualize the proximity of each task, and see job details. Youreka's dynamic smart forms guide technicians through step-by-step processes to safely and accurately complete work and capture field data that is automatically stored within Salesforce. Field agents can use maps on or offline and perform precise work anywhere, including the most remote locations. Add layers from ArcGIS so that technicians can see service roads, power lines, service regions, and other data relevant to their job site. After job completion, Maps helps technicians identify where to go next with color-coded pins. And integration with navigation apps makes it easy for field agents to get there. Youreka Maps supports visualizing any of your map data, whether it's a standard or custom object. It's easy to configure, cost-effective, and can be deployed in minutes. Youreka Maps drives fieldwork efficiency with geospatial data in a single app experience within Salesforce.